How to delete story in TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete story in TikTok. Usually story lasts for 24 hours, but if you want to delete it before 24 hours, here's how you can do it. First of all, you will need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, in this home screen, at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and this will take you to your profile page. Now here, you will see the blue or green outline around your profile picture. Tap on it. Now this will take you to your story section. In your story section at the bottom right, you'll be able to see this arrow icon. Tap on it and after doing that, you'll be able to see this pop-up at the bottom. Here, you'll be able to see the dustbin icon. Tap on this dustbin icon that says delete and once you tap on it, at the bottom, you'll be able to see two different options. The first one is delete and re-edit. If you would like to re-edit it, you can do it by tapping on the first option. But if you would like to delete it permanently, then tap on this delete button at the very bottom. By doing so, you will see you have successfully deleted your story. Now in this page, you won't see any blue or green outline around your profile picture. So this is how you can delete your story in TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.